Alright, we're trying to be back.
I don't think this is working very well, guys.
Careful.
We are back. Let's just show you guys what we see for now. We are surrounded by rocks in the middle of the woods. So this is what we're looking at. And we're getting a little bit higher up, but I don't even see anyone in the chat. But as soon as we stepped into the trail, our connection was lost. So we're still in the trail, and this is what it's looking like, surrounded by rocks. But we're walking uphill now, and I'm starting to get a couple of bars. So this is not going to be a very good live today, guys.
That's why I said the Xiaomi one might have been better because it's higher up.
Yeah, this would have been.
There's no open.
Yeah, this would have been an amazing live, but this location, man, no service. I could see you guys. Ray, Patrick. Amazing. This might be how the live goes today. We'll start walking and then we'll just lose connection forever. And then I'll have to start a new live video every time.
You'll have like 5 live videos.
Yeah, we're going to have like 10 live videos today because they keep disconnecting. Hi, Susan. Hi, Victoria. Steve. It is a very pretty place, though. Sean. Hello. We're getting a little more in the open. A little higher up. So I don't know how the signal is, but I'll connect when I can to you guys. But otherwise, yeah, this is really pretty though. Oh yeah, we should tag this on Google Maps. I barely have service though. You can post it, Chris, maybe.
Yeah. Look at how different. So look at this picture that they took here. Which is how different it looks. Like, you know, however many years later. Doesn't it look really different?
So that's supposed to be this?
Yes. So
I don't know, it looks the same.
It looks the same, but I mean, like, just the area around it. See?
Hmm.
How, like, this is kind of.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris is saying this picture that they took is old. Looks different than this. We're in an open area. Wow, this is so pretty, though.
Yeah.
We are in the wilderness for sure, guys. Hey, John, howdy. Joe, hello, Virginia.
Kid up there, Matt's doing a
John.
It's talking to herself on her big camera, and then I'm recording them doing this.
This is very pretty. I like keep walking through the trails, but the signal, man, is going to be in and out. We're just happen to be in an open area again.
You guys have like taken a time to like appreciate this. Well, look at the tree with the rocks. Like it's all insanely just like melded together, and they're just kind of. It's really pretty how the tree roots are just like
Ingrained into the rocks.
ingrained into the rocks. Like it's actually really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
Like formed over like maybe thousands of years or something. You know, is it that old? But well, I was just even talking to Matt about like this picture right here.
Few hundred.
This picture versus how it looks like now is almost completely different. At least the surrounding areas of it.
I need a thumbnail picture.
I'm sure. Like I mean, there were one on the first trail out of 4, so we can probably find a good thumbnail picture before that. So the trail branches, does it really branch off, or is it just like a little wraparound area?
Like this one is like, look at this. Look.
inside the rock, yeah.
It's like in the rock.
That tree branch is inside the rock?
Yeah,
It's
look.
so weird.
Well, the tree is the rock is hollowed out if you look inside of it.
It looks.
That's weird though that the tree grew right between it.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
So weird. That's really cool. And even here, look, it's like growing into this.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's cool.
Have any of you been here before? Can you guys still see us? Can you guys still hear us? Do you know what we're talking about? It seems like we're a little opened up. Yeah, crystal clear. Okay, good.
Nice. Okay, that's really good news, actually.
Yeah. I think it might start cutting out here though. When we, this is a bridge of God.
Yes. Tengami-bashi.
Now, probably a lot of you have been to Hedo Point, but have you guys ever came to this park?
You remember how to say it? No, that's why you looked at
What is it?
Daisekirinsa.
Oh, Daiseki. Daisekirinsa. Daiseki. Okay.
Daisekirinsa.
It's really pretty though. That's where we're coming from.
Really high up, too. Wow, this bridge of God is a good viewpoint here. I wonder if it's like heavy rain. I wonder if it like comes down over here, like during rainy season.
Yeah, it probably comes down here.
Yeah, like probably flows down all the way over here. Like kind of like Yosemite, you know?
Mm.
How you're talking about at that high point, you can't even go on that bridge at all. It's just inundated with water.
Mm.
I wonder if it's something similar to that. See it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, isn't that how a lot of these rocks are formed too?
Yeah.
From rain?
Well, so supposedly these rocks, Kid and I were talking about it earlier, but a lot of it's like limestone, right?
Victoria, never knew it was there. Hi, Karen.
Hey, so normally
Julius.
I don't think these look like what they are supposed to
Elizabeth.
Uh-huh.
But I can actually see the camel in this.
Can you see the iguana here?
Oh, this is supposed to look like a camel?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
Can
Wait
you
a
see the
minute.
iguana right here?
So this is the camel.
Mm-hmm.
This is the actual rock. Okay, camel. See if you guys can see it. This is the camel. This is the rock.
It actually kind of does look like
Let me
it.
see.
Yeah, it does look like a camel.
What about this one right here?
Japan likes to do these things. They're like, oh yeah, this is a camel.
Oh,
I'm like,
I thought it
okay.
was like a
Whatever you say.
Looks like, yeah,
This one's not too bad, though.
Makes me hungry
Camel?
all of a sudden. Let me see. Let me see the camel.
I have chocolate bread.
Oh, that's a lot more complicated than I thought it would be.
Daiseki
Yeah.
Rinza. Zan. Daiseki Rinzan. Yes. That is where we are.
By the end of the day, Matt will learn how to say it correctly.
Yep, hopefully. Okay, now we're going back downhill. So I guess I'll see you guys in another 15 minutes when this disconnects. I'll leave it on until it just poops out. Yeah, it's just like trying to reconnect. We ended your live. I'm like, okay.
Careful.
Looks like a camel. That's what Susan says.
Didn't really see the camel that much.
Okay, this one's supposed to be a rhino.
Gorilla.
Rhino gorilla? This is a rhino gorilla.
Not really.
No.
Okay,
This?
ready? This is what's supposed to look like a rhino gorilla. Already fake.
This
And that's the rock. Oh, we're back.
Hi, back. Oh, we're back.
This is a rough one, guys.
Huh? The joke?
Back in and out to this live video here. We're going back uphill, so we have reconnected.
Is this like page 5 on how many we're gonna have so far?
Yeah, we're going to be dropping a lot. You're dead?
Well, I mean, I'm not slipping at all, so. Yeah.
I'm not really slipping either.
Yeah, they definitely recommend boots for this kind of stuff, because I'm like totally fine.
Oh, they're working on that area. What time is it where you guys are at, if you're still in the live?
They're building another
Because
spot.
it must be getting really late for some of you. They're working on the new path there.
Yeah, and alternate area, probably because this is a little bit heavy to truck through, especially when it gets wet, I think.
It says we're live, but I don't know if it's oh yeah, Tammy, I see yours. Very interesting area. But there's not too many people in, and I don't know if the comments are even coming through. Oh, 10:15 p.m. That's not too bad.
And that's probably why they're building this new path, because this is
A little after 11.
considered more dangerous.
So you guys can hear me. Cool.
Because I was talking to Matt earlier, I'm pretty sure like when it rains, some of this area gets a little like adversely affected.
Okay, look at these rocks though. I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit.
Because it just needs to smell like more like a Sharpie up here.
I think it's from them working.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, use the trees to help you guys go down.
12:20 Utah, 10:15, 11:15 Texas. Okay. I don't even know what time it is here. It's like 3, I guess. It's been pretty late now. Or 2:30? No, it's like probably 3. What time is it here? Like 3:15? Yeah. 2:15. Ah, okay. Oh, really? Picture's really clear. They film scenes of Cobra Kai here. Karate Kid spin-off on Netflix. I guess.
Yeah, that's a good view of like that tall mountain over there. We might be going towards that. See?
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, there's an opening over here. I think we're about to hit an opening. There's an opening over here. We're about to hit the opening.
Okay. What does that mean, Kit?
Wow. Just looking through these trees, it looks like really pretty rocks.
Careful going down here, Matt.
The weather, I think, is really nice, actually.
Yeah.
It's cold enough for sweaters. Ooh, open area.
Oh, this is the opening I was talking about.
Probably have service here.
I think this actually is where the trail splits off.
Oh yeah.
Because like what you can see over there, it says Shiragami and then power spot. So I think the trail splits off over here. So we can decide where we want to go from there.
It says power spot in Japanese, but in English it says spiritual place. It's totally
That kind of makes sense. Well, I guess.
Yeah, this is really pretty, guys. That's where we're going. We'll probably have service up there.
Yeah, we definitely have service up there because we have service over here, right?
Yeah, should be good. You guys might get to see this journey. That is actually pretty amazing. Yeah. Huh?
Oh, it used to be a waterfall over here. Like it would flow down over here.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is the real life Timon and Pumbaa area?
Yep, no, this is, well, also Dragon Ball Z. See here,
Yeah,
Goku.
Goku.
Oh. So that's what it looks like now, and this is their rendition
Yeah.
of it with a waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna call my mom real quick.
Wow.
Okay.
She's been asking me to go buy stuff, and I'm like, I'm in the middle of the mountain up north in Okinawa.
Yeah.
I don't think that's happening, Mom.
Not right now.
I don't think there's a big one anywhere over here.
Part where it goes up, I think. If you were to have taken that spot before.
Yeah.
Oh, that tree is growing on top of that rock. Here, I'm gonna put you guys down. And I'm gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna take a drink. You guys can have the scene behind me. Pretty area.
This is really cool.
Get a hold of my mom.
You can't?
Does anyone else have more bars than me?
I only have one bar.
Take her some goat milk, Tammy says.
Well, I don't see any goats.
Okay. These rocks are sharp. Trying to set you guys down here. How about here?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Look at that right there. This used to be a giant waterfall area, see?
I don't know. I think that's... I don't think it was a waterfall. I think they wanted it to be a waterfall.
Yeah.
Because it already looks amazing.
Well, but again, because we were talking about how it's all limestone, so at one point this was supposed to be all underwater, and maybe before it came up to this point, it probably was like some kind of waterfall or something at least. So
That is pretty incredible, though. Visual, like how that looks. It's just natural like that. Did you think they planted those trees?
I think they might have just grown over time.
Think so?
Probably.
I don't know.
You think they planted those?
What do you guys think?
You think they planted those wooden paths over there, or was it just there?
Those are probably there already.
Yeah. More of a chance than those trees, right?
It's really hot.
You're hot. Did you bring a drink? Really?